Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hello, my dear crafters. So today I'm doing something by request of many of you. When I showed what I had made for my Christmas fair, I showed you these little pans here, and I hadn't done a tutorial then. So many of you asked me, please do. I just assumed everybody knew how to make these. Lesson is never assume. Anyway, so I am showing you how to do it. You won't believe how easy it is. And also, this is what I bought. These are so pretty, quite inexpensive, and you get like 100 or 200 or something, so you never buy again. And it's great for any pen, really, when you make pens and you want to gift it to someone or to just package. Yeah, let me show you two types, and that's how I package it. I put it inside, and then I made a little. Let me just see the size here so you know. 2.5 by 1. So that means you just cut a piece of paper that is 2.5 wide by 4, fold it in half, and just use a little sticker just to add something else to these. And let me show you how to make it. It's really no biggie. Very easy. You buy some, the pens, they come like this. So they come with this on top, like that. And you have all this space here to fill out, so you just unscrew the top. And I will have links to some options of pens for Christmas and even non-Christmas, because you may want to make some of these for birthdays and stuff. Basically, what you need is these pens and any kind of, let me show you some, of any kind of beads. Some people make, I've never made with like jewelry beads, but they are beautiful. If you do, they look really, really nice. For this Christmas fair, I just bought things like this. These are very Christmassy beads, but the great thing is I'll have the link below to the kits. So the kits are perfect because they have pictures on what you can make with them. They come with the pans, empty pans like this, and they come with all the beads you know. So you don't have to, search in your stash what you have. So I bought some wood. I wanted to work with wood. So these are all wooden little beads. These are the leftovers that I have from the beads that I bought. And I love these because they have the little faces. So that's the one that I'm going to make today. But buy any kind of beads, really, any kind. I bought these at Hobby Lobby, very, very cheap. So that they were 50% off. So they were $2.50, and you get all these beads. Look at that. I just cut it and I have the beads. So use what you have, guys. If you're a jewelry maker, you're going to have tons of beads. So I'm going to zoom in, and you're going to see how easy it is. So you choose, really. There are no rules. I like to put small ones at the bottom and on the top. I just like the way it looks. Let me show you. See, I have a little one here and a little one there, and then it gives kind of, the focal point becomes the little Santa. And this one here, it was a snowman's, again, small one on the top and at the bottom. But there are no rules. It just was what you have. So I had this little one. It's gonna come here. The body of the Santa, the head. Well, this one has like a sequence, of course. You're not gonna put the head first. But these kits, the great thing is they already did all the thinking for you, and they have the perfect number of beads for you. And look at that. So we have a pen. How cool is that? And some people, I've seen them do, when you use jewelry beads, like crystals and stuff, they usually put like a chain here and fill it up with beads, so they have like a dangling thing here. For wood, I don't like to do that, but I think with jewelry beads, it really looks very nice. So that's it. And then you screw it. You screw the top. There you go. It's very, very tight now. And I just kind of move the beads to make sure that it's facing right. And then I put it in the plastic bag. Where is it? That I absolutely lost. Oh, there it is. So I bought these, that they fit perfectly. And I'll have the link below to these if you want. But you can put it in a plastic bag and do the bag topper like I showed you, okay? So that's it. That's it, guys. How easy is that? And they're really, really nice. They catch people's attention. Just make sure that it's showing. and not turn the other way. So there you are. You have your pen. How easy is that? And you can make tons, and they're quite inexpensive. You can really make some money with it if you buy the kits, because you make quite a few. Usually the kits, they come with at least 10 pens. So that's it. You asked me for the tutorial. It took a while, but I did it. Thank you so much, guys, and you have a wonderful day.
Been bad and cover up your head 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.